The 7 best names for a Muslim girl. Number 7, Aisha, meaning alive or living. Aisha is a name with historical significance, being the name of Prophet Muhammad's youngest wife. Number 6, Fatima. With roots in Islamic history, Fatima means captivating and represents charm and self-discipline. Number 5, Zainab. Zainab, of Arabic origin, means beauty of the father and is associated with grace and charm. Number 4, Hafsa. Hafsa, a name with a noble connotation, means gathering and reflects unity and responsibility. Number 3, Maryam. Maryam, the Arabic form of Mary, means beloved and holds significance in both Islamic and Christian traditions. Number 2, Noor. Noor, meaning light or radiance, is a spiritually significant name symbolizing hope for a bright future. And the number 1 is, tell me in the comments, what is the number 1?